So guys, today we are doing my prison in Roblox. So first things first, to get money I can delete all the trees, because why do we don't need all the trees and rocks, because we don't really need them right now. We may need to get some later, but not right now. See, I just got 300 buckaroos straight away, and now I think we go to the city. Let's see where the city is. Well, the town. And it says hourly income plus $0. Here we go. So we basically, oh, that's hard, but then I can put you in a car, go back to my prison, and basically I need to make this a really big, good prison. Did you guys just see me destroy that lamppost? Tomboy, please prison 18. And I made 18 prisons. That's a little bad. But now that guy is there. So I spend $50 and every hour in the game. So I get $10 because obviously I'm gonna have to pay $5 for my police officer. Easier. So we don't need to build more cells, because by doing that, now we can get 2 more prisoners, because there are 2 toilets and 2 beds. Let's see, we have 4 towers, and 4 prisoners can be in our place. I'm gonna round up some. We got a chef and a guard, obviously, and yay. Now players are eating the food, and then we got some gym exercise and 2 phones.